Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share with you the secret to growing long and healthy hair. Trust me, it's a game changer. So, after years of struggling with my hair, I finally found the perfect routine that transformed my fine, thin hair into the luscious locks you see today. This method not only helped me achieve faster hair growth, but also improved its overall health and volume. The key to success lies in using a specific product line. This system includes a shampoo, conditioner, and scalp treatment that work together to nourish your hair from within. As a result, you'll see your hair grow longer and thicker in no time. Now, know what you're thinking. What's the secret ingredient? Well, it's none other than amino acids. These miracle workers penetrate deep into your scalp and repair any damage caused by stress or overstyling. Your hair will become stronger and more resilient against breakage, allowing it to grow long and healthy. So there you have it, folks. If you've been struggling with hair growth or health issues, give this method a try. I promise you won't be disappointed. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, take care of yourself and your beautiful mane.